Let us construct an angle of measure 135 degree using a ruler and a compass only. First step, we draw a line segment of arbitrary length. Let's call that line segment to be AB. We take a compass and draw a number of circular arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Join the intersection point of 4th and 5th circular arc to the point A, and we obtain angle A that measures 90 degree. However, we want to draw an angle that measures 135 degree. We know that 90 degree plus 45 degree gives 135 degree. So we keep on drawing a number of more circular arcs. So far we have drawn 5 number of circular arcs. Let us draw 6th and then 7th and the 8th. Join the intersection point to the vertex A, and we did obtain an angle that measures 135 degree. Let us use green color to draw the angle just for visualization.